Question number 1. I can't decide what to do. I'm sitting on the dash. A. Ground. B. Fence. C. Chair. Right answer. B. Fence. Right sentence is, I can't decide what to do. I'm sitting on the fence. Explanation. Sit on the fence means to be undecided. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है दुविधा में होना या तटस्थ रहना. Question number 2. His jokes were so funny. They cracked me. Dash. A. Down. B. Open. C. Up. Right answer. C. Up. Right sentence is, his jokes were so funny. They cracked me up. Explanation. Crack someone up means to make someone laugh a lot. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी को बहुत हंसाना. Question number 3. The teacher told him to hold his dash and wait for his turn. A. Horses. B. Dogs. C. Cats. Right answer. A. Horses. Right sentence is, the teacher told him to hold his horses and wait for his turn. Explanation. Hold your horses means to be patient. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है धैर्य रखना. Question number 4. They were at each other's dash during the argument. A. Throats. B. Feet. C. Heads. Right answer. A. Throats. Right sentence is, they were at each other's throats during the argument. Explanation. At each other's throats means to argue fiercely. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है गुस्से से बहस करना. Question number 5. He got cold dash and cancelled his wedding. A. Hands. B. Feet. C. Thoughts. Right answer. B. Feet. Right sentence is, he got cold feet and cancelled his wedding. Explanation. Get cold feet means to be nervous before an important event. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है हिम्मत टूटना, डर जाना. Question number 6. She is pulling my dash. I don't believe her story. A. Leg. B. Hand. C. Arm. Right answer. A. Leg. Right sentence is, she is pulling my leg. I don't believe her story. Explanation. Pull someone's leg means to joke with someone. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी की टांग खींचना, किसी को चिढ़ाना या मजाक उड़ाना. Question number 7. The test was a piece of dash. A. Cake. B. Bread. C. Meat. Right answer. A. Cake. Right sentence is, the test was a piece of cake. Explanation. A piece of cake means something very easy. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है बहुत आसान. Question number 8. She is the black dash of the family. A. Cat. B. Sheep. C. Dog. Right answer. B. Sheep. Right sentences. She is the black sheep of the family. Explanation. Black sheep refers to someone who is different from the rest of the family. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है कुलकलंक, ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसे अपने परिवार या समूह के लिए अपमान या शर्मिंदगी माना जाता है. Question number 9. The plan backfired. It went up in dash. A. Flames. B. Smoke. C. Air. Right answer. B. Smoke. Right sentences. The plan backfired. It went up in smoke. Explanation. Go up in smoke means to fail completely. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है व्यर्थ होना. Question number 10. The boss gave me a hard dash about my work. A. Time. B. Look. C. Talk. Right answer. C. Talk. Right sentences. The boss gave me a hard talk about my work. Explanation. A hard talk means a serious or critical discussion. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है कड़ी बातचीत. Question number 11. I could hear it straight from the horse's dash. A. Mouth. B. Nose. C. Ear. Right answer. A. Mouth. Right sentences. I could hear it straight from the horse's mouth. Explanation. Straight from the horse's mouth means directly from a reliable source. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है विश्वसनीय व्यक्ति से प्राप्त सूचना. Question number 12. You should take his words with a pinch of dash. A. Sugar. B. Salt. C. Pepper. Right answer. B. Salt. Right sentences. You should take his words with a pinch of salt. Explanation. Take with a pinch of salt means to not believe something completely. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है अंशतः विश्वास करना. Question number 13. He is barking up the wrong dash. A. Tree. B. Road. C. Dur. Right answer. A. Tree. Right sentences. He is barking up the wrong tree. Explanation. Bark up the wrong tree means to follow the wrong course of action. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है गलत रास्ता अपनाना, गलतफहमी में होना. Question number 14. We're in the same dash. Let's work together. A. Ship. B. Boat. C. Car. Right answer. B. Boat. Right sentences. We're in the same boat, let's work together. Explanation. In the same boat means to be in the same difficult situation as others. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है एक ही जैसी मुसीबत में होना. Question number 15. The idea sounded good on paper, but it's easier said than dash. A. Done. B. Thought. C. Seen. Right answer. A. Done. Right sentences. The idea sounded good on paper, but it's easier said than done. Explanation. Easier said than done means something is more difficult in reality than it sounds. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है कहना आसान है करना मुश्किल. Question number 16. I am on cloud dash today because of my promotion. A. 9. B. 7. C. 5. Right answer. A. 9. Right sentences. I am on cloud 9 today because of my promotion. Explanation. On cloud 9 means to be extremely happy. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है बहुत ज्यादा खुश होना. Question number 17. He has a chip on his dash. About his past failures. A. Shoulder. B. Hand. C. Face. Right answer. A. Shoulder. Right sentences. He has a chip on his shoulder about his past failures. Chip on your shoulder means to be upset or resentful about something in the past. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है अतीत की किसी बात को लेकर परेशान या नाराज होना. Question number 18. I can't trust him. He's a snake in the dash. A. House. B. Hole. C. Grass. Right answer. C. Grass. Right sentences. I can't trust him. He's a snake in the grass. Explanation. A snake in the grass refers to a deceitful person. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है धोखेबाज व्यक्ति. Question number 19. I know it's a surprise, but don't let the cat out of the dash. A. Bag. B. House. C. Cage. Right answer. A. Bag. Right sentences. I know it's a surprise, but don't let the cat out of the bag. Explanation. Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है किसी रहस्य को उजागर करना. Question number 20. You need to get your act dash before the exam. A. Right. B. Straight. C. Together. Right answer C. Together. Right sentences. You need to get your act together before the exam. Explanation. Get your act together means to organize yourself. इस मुहावरे का हिंदी में अर्थ है अपनी स्थिति सुधारो या समझदारी से काम लो. Thank you so much for watching.